Hiya, my name's Carl Allen. I've got Expert Tyres and Auto Care. It's a tyre garage with a vehicle repair shop on the side. It's based in Sheffield, Crosspool.
What do you do? What, I mean, silly question.
We do new tyres, puncture repairs, and we've also got a mobile van that goes out on the road to care for the people that are broken down at the side of the road. Biggest thing is more in-depth in business, cash flow that we've just been going through. Also business like self-esteem, and so I've got bigger insight into the actual business itself, the actual understanding of the physics.